This is a brief introduction to the ATS 1000 series of automatic transfer switches that are designed for applications where two or more autonomous power sources are available. The ATS can be utilized as single or multiple units for different levels of redundancy. ATS switches power sources in less than 8 milliseconds. This exceeds ITIC's CBMA curve requirements. ATS operation is silent as there are no internal fans. TSI Power designs and manufactures ATS products at our facility in north central Wisconsin. Applications include, but are not limited to, telecom, computers, data centers, industrial control, automatic test equipment, oil exploration, and utilities. The fast transfer time allows ATS to be used as a battery-less UPS when two autonomous power sources are available. The ATS is fed by two sinusoidal power sources. ATS works with asynchronous input, which permits use with most sources. When the primary power source detector circuit senses a loss of power, it switches the load to the backup power source in less than 8 milliseconds. Upon return of primary power, ATS switches back in less than 8 milliseconds, fast enough to be invisible to even the most sensitive equipment. ATS is available in sizes of either 30 or 40 amps at 120 or 208 volts 60 Hz and 230 volts 50 Hz. ATS is safety listed for use in the US and Canada. 230 volt versions are CE compliant. Standard models are hardwired, but various plug receptacle combinations are available. Customized versions can be provided, even for smaller volumes. ATS is housed in a powder-coated steel enclosure. High-quality circuit breakers and wiring terminals are standard. Optional rack or wall mounting kits are available. ATS power loss is less than 1%, as it uses mechanical relays for switching. This allows ATS to be used in confined spaces or sealed enclosures. No fans are necessary. ATS is protected against surge voltages by two 40mm MOVs. This mostly eliminates the need for external surge protection devices. LED indicators on the front panel show system status. A DB9 port is available for remote monitoring. For more information, call TSI Power at 800-874-3160 or visit our website at www.tsipower.com.